Hello folks, welcome to this series of AWS services. In this video, we are going to cover that what is the scope of this course. Now Amazon provides a host of services. It provides you more than 125 web services for various needs. So if you go to the console of AWS, it provides you a set of compute services, storage services, database services, security services, analytics, mobile development, game development, media services, and so many other services. So what is the scope of this particular course and why it is designed in such a way? So basically, to begin with cloud in general and AWS in particular, you have to start with the foundational services, and then only you can go for advanced services or move on to sector specific services. So here in this course, we are going to start with the introduction of the cloud in general and what is the position of Amazon Web Services in the whole cloud ecosystem, why to use AWS, what are its advantages, and what is its positioning in the system. Now after that we will become a bit more specific about AWS services, but we will start with the very basic, starting from creating your AWS account, how to use free tier account, what are the do's and don'ts, and then we will start with the foundational web services. So the sequence of the course has been designed in such a way that even if you are the beginner in AWS services, you follow the content from beginning to end and it will be a smooth learning curve. So whether you are working on the AWS services or preparing for the AWS certification, this course is for you. If you talk about certification, then to start with associate level certifications, the first thing you need to know is what are the web services and what are the basically foundational web services. You not only need to know their feature, but more importantly, you need to know about their use case. You need to know how to create them, you need to know how to configure them, and later on how to integrate these various services to provide a holistic solution to your client. So the course covers foundational services in detail, but it also gives you the overview of various other services from a 50,000 feet view. While studying each of the web services, we will start with why to use that particular service, what is the use case, what problem this service is going to solve, and then we will be using Management Console to understand more about these services. So what are the prerequisites of this course? There is no specific prerequisite for this course. It's just that since you are dealing with the infrastructure, then any knowledge about the IT infrastructure is good to have. The more you know about IT infrastructure, the more you will be able to relate to the services. But having said that, I've tried to explain all the services from ground up. So even if you don't have any knowledge about the infrastructure, you can still go ahead and learn from these videos. Now to follow up this course, I strongly suggest that you create your own free tier account. AWS provides you 1 year free tier account for learning purposes. So only thing you need is one valid credit card. Don't worry, if you are cautious enough, you won't be charged. I'll help you create a free tier account in one of the videos, and I'll help you identify various do's and don'ts that you should follow so that you don't get charged on your credit card. But I will reiterate again that you should have your own AWS account. Even in the videos, you will be able to see my screen where I have explained about how to create those services, how to configure those services, but you should follow them in your account. Then only you will be able to utilize your time and effort more effectively. So having said that, once again, welcome to this series of AWS services and welcome to the world of cloud. See you soon in the next video. Happy learning. Thank you for watching.